गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम पुनाखा भूटान। और आज है चौथा दिन मेरे ट्रिप का। द वेदर एज यू कैन प्रॉबली टेल इज़ क्लाउडी एंड इट्स रियली नाइस एंड वी आर नाउ चेकिंग आउट फ्रॉम पुनाखा एंड मूविंग टूवर्ड्स पारो नाउ। और Paro should take about I think 3.5 to 4 hours and we'll again pass through Dochula Pass, and I'll probably show you a few glimpses of Dochula as well, although I have shown you the Dochula Pass in my vlog yesterday. So yeah, let's go to Paro and let's see what Paro awaits for us here in Bhutan. So guys, this is the official note of Bhutan. This is a 500 rupee note, as you can see. So of course they have different denominations, right from 5 rupee to I think 500 rupees, and here are different notes as well, valued at 5, I think that's 20, and that's another 500. Dochula Pass again on my way to Paro, and today Dochula Pass is very foggy. It's a little cold today, so I'm just as a precaution wearing a sweater. Dochula Pass took about 1.5 hours from our place in Punakha, so 1.5 hours to here, and it is about another 2 hours or so to Paro from here. So it's a little long drive. So just in case you guys are coming to Punakha or driving from Punakha to Paro, just make sure that you guys are well prepared for it. If you have motion sickness, you might want to keep some sort of a medicine with you. Guys, you can see the Paro International Airport's runway right there, with these fields around and the hills around. What a view! Look at this. Don't you love this? And there is the Paro Zong, right there, the Paro Zong, situated in between the Himalayas. Beautiful. We've reached Paro. We'll just check into the hotel. This is a beautiful place. The drive was nice. It was a little long, as it took us about 3.5 hours. Not that it's a problem, but I just wanted to reach this place really fast. Very cool here, and Paro's main market is not that far from the hotel where we are staying. Just recharged my mobile, so mobile recharging is easy as well. I will let you know in a different video how do you recharge your mobile and different ways to reach Bhutan and whether you need a visa or not. So keep an eye out for that video as well. For the meanwhile, this video is all about Paro. So one thing which is really amazing about not only Paro or Thimphu, for the entire country, is the parking system. You know, they have specific marked spots. That white line that you see right there beneath the car, you can see those white lines on the side of the road, and each car has to be, it is compulsory that each car has to be inside that white line, otherwise there's going to be huge fine. But even then, you know, people do follow these rules. So you can see all over the country, I have seen this first and foremost, all over the country, people follow stringent traffic rules, whether be it parking under designated parking lines or people do not use honks here. See, the car is passing by. There you go. He will not honk. Nobody honks here unless until absolutely necessary. Alright guys, I am back in the hotel after exploring Paro. So tomorrow I go to the tiger's nest. It's a pretty long hike. But I want to go till the middle at least, because from there I want to get a view of the tiger's nest for a few pictures, and I hope, at least from the pictures that I have looked at Google of different people visiting tiger's nest, it looks stunning. Meanwhile, take care of yourself guys, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next vlog tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.